Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound, and in this video I'm going to share an amazing opportunity where you can get internship, jobs, cash prizes and much more, and it's open for all the college students out here. So we are talking about TVS Credit E.P.I.C challenge. Who can apply for this opportunity? What will happen? Let's cover everything in detail. Make sure to like the video, hype the video and subscribe the channel. So here we are having 2.5 lakh cash prizes and a chance to get free placement interview too. Here, who can apply for this opportunity? Engineering student, postgraduate, undergraduate, management arts, means it's open for every stream student. Here you can see the timelines, what will happen. There will be some treasure hunt round, there will be some round 1, round 2 and round 3 quiz, where you have to present all your ideas behind the judges, okay, in front of the judges. They'll shortlist you, and if you are selected, you'll be getting some cool prizes over here. Now, who can apply for this opportunity? You can apply if you're pursuing these degrees. Okay, you must be in second year, third year or fourth year. Okay, now here you can form a team also or participate individually also. And here, if you are a team member of one of the team, you cannot be more than one team, means you cannot take part in multiple teams over here. Cross years are allowed, means you are in second year, your teammate is in fourth year, they can apply, but cross campus are not allowed, means different campus students cannot participate together. Here you can see they have mentioned all the things over here. Make sure to check the registration guideline over here. Now here round 1, round 2 and round 3, how it will happen, let me just disclose it. So here the quiz window will be live for about 8 hours. Here you can see the timelines is not disclosed, I think so. You'll be notified once you are registered, and you'll be getting 20 analytics because questions based on quantitative aptitude and statistics, and 10 financial literacy questions. You have to answer all these within 30 minutes. Then your ranks will be released and you'll be able to participate in the next round. Now here we have a case study where you'll be getting a chance to solve one of the mystery, and you have to upload your submission in PPT, doc and Excel format, and you have to just submit it and they'll just check it. If they are authentic and correct, you'll be moving to the next round. For any queries, you can mail to this particular email. Third is the grand finale. If you have passed all these categories, you'll be in the grand finale, and final that will be shared shortly. There you can see here are the rewards of the cash prizes and a chance to PPI internship, summer internship and much more over there. Important deadline, registration will be closing on 14th of August. For any queries, you can reach out to directly to the mail address which we have seen already. Now here one more important thing, a lot of you are asking that how will know about the treasure hunt. So you can just check out their Instagram and YouTube channel for updates regarding it, so that you are getting every update from there. Okay. So these are the things they have mentioned. You can see all these prizes are there. Hurry up and register in this opportunity. If you have any query, you can let in the comment section. Thank you, goodbye and have a great day ahead. Do like the video, share the channel and have a great day.